Many of us have good handwriting, but some others have bad handwriting. A good handwriting plays a vital role in exams. In one word, it's give first impression to the examiner. A good handwriting makes you confident, conveys clarity, and make your paper neat. It also shows your knowledge. So this video is going to be how to improve your handwriting.
First, sitting posture. The main things which matter is your sitting posture. Do not overbend your back towards the table. Try to sit straight, otherwise it will cause neck and back pain.
2. Exercises. If you are going to write after a long time, then before you start writing, do some hand warm up which will relax your hand muscle, or you can also try some writing exercises. And the best tip is to pick coin or pen one by one with your fingers. 3. Write pen. Choose any pen whose ink does not smudge in exams. Don't write with new pens. You should always choose a pen which you have used 1 or 2 times because it will write more softly than the new one. 4. Holding pens. The right way to hold your pen is with your thumb and index finger, and rest the pen on the top of your middle finger. It will prevent hardening your fingertips.
5. How to keep notes. If you are right-handed person, then keep your notes right corner high. Or if you are left-handed person, then keep your notes left corner high.
6. Excess pressure.
Don't grip your pen tightly. Hold it freely and try not to give excess pressure while writing. Otherwise, it will give bad impression on your back pages.
7. Slants. All the way of writing, that is left slant, right slant, and straight slants are correct, but do not tangle or merge all words and letters, and try not to overcut any words. 8. Spacing. Do not stick letters too much and not keep over space between letters. Try to keep consistent space between letters. You should give one finger space between the words. It will look more neat. 9. Practice. If your handwriting is very poor, then practice it always slowly. But if you think that your handwriting is improving, you can increase your speed. I mainly advise you to practice on English lining copy.